Hey, welcome to this free course where you're actually going to learn something, okay? If you're like me, you're tired of all these free courses out there where you don't actually pick up value. In this course, I'm going to give you the tools you need to actually go out and get a deal done. All right, for the people who don't know, my name is Tez Arbertha, real estate investor, real estate wholesaler. Been doing this for almost 10 years, and I've done over 1,000 transactions and made a lot of money, helped a lot of other people make a lot of money. And I want to break all the things you need in this course down to understand what wholesaling is and leave it with a clear understanding of how you can go do it, okay? So let's jump right in. 95% of wholesalers fail in their first year. They give up and they never actually get a deal done. But if you're watching this video, that does not have to be you. But you do need to know what I'm about to say to prevent that from happening, okay? Most wholesalers fail for one of three reasons. Number one, they don't have a system. Yeah, they are just treating it like a hobby and not treating it like it's an opportunity to absolutely transform their life. Most of the information they have, they piece together, or they've got a mentorship where that person didn't actually do the business. There's a systematic approach to actually getting deals done, not just one, consistent deals, okay? That's huge. A system. Number two is going to be community. A lot of them don't have support. So they're going out, they're researching things on ChatGPT, they're trying to do this, and they're going out there alone with nobody to be a soundboard for questions that they may have or ways to talk to a seller. That leads me into number three, and that's sales conversation. They've never had a sales conversation. They don't know the value of sales in a conversation. And the reason I bring number three up, and I saved it for last, because it is the best for last, is because it don't matter how much ChatGPT stuff you watch. It don't matter how many YouTube videos you watch. If you don't know how to sell, if you don't know how to close a seller in terms of a sales conversation, it don't matter how great the lead is. You will not get the deal across the finish line. Because a sales conversation is really the art. It's not the lead flow. It's not any of that stuff. That's why so many gurus can give you the information, because they know the implementation is where the real rubber meets the road. Listen, understanding how to sell and talk to a seller is the difference between a $0 check and a $20,000 check. Because that's what actually gets it done. Okay? This is exactly why I built step number 6, okay? Step number 6, video number 6, you're gonna go watch that. It's gonna really break down the sales conversation even more in depth. But more so, me building step 6, I built Verify Flippers, a community where I help people go out, lock up deals, but more than anything, help them understand how to have a sales conversation. If you're somebody, you're watching this video, you're like, man, Tez is a real deal, or man, I wanna know more about how I can get my sales skills up, please check out my Verify Flippers community where I can help you. See you in video number 2. Thank you so much for watching video number 1. Let's keep going. You already made one of the toughest decisions, and that's just coming in, locking in, and watching this free training. Let's go.